Hi, my name's Keith Cooper from Northlight Images, and I'm testing this Canon PRO-310 printer for just a review and testing what it does and how it works and how it compares with the older Pro-300. Anyway, I've been doing a whole lot of prints and test images like this, looking at how the color optimizer works, the different settings things, but during that it ran out of ink. Well, I say it's run out of ink. What's happened is that I've had a warning come up saying that the grey is probably empty, and there are two other inks which have low ink warnings on them. That's the gloss black, because I've been printing some black and white prints for this test as well, and the color optimizer. Now, the colours that tend to go first on using this printer, I know from experience of using the 300, are the grey ink, because it's mixed with all sorts of things to give smoother gradients and things, and the color optimizer. If you do a lot of black and white prints, then obviously the black will go low as well. And in this one, it's the photo black that's gone low first rather than the matte black, because the matte black would be for matte papers, and I've printed more on luster photo papers in this testing I've been doing on this. But anyway, I've got a choice here what to do. There's the grey ink that it says should be replaced. I could try printing. It might run out during the print. What about the photo black and the color optimizer? There is still a little bit of ink left in those cartridges. Now, experience from using this, the 300, tells me that if I replace just the grey, in the process of setting it up, of what it does when you put new inks in, it will use some other inks, and in the process of using those other inks, it's quite possible that both the photo black and maybe the gloss optimizer, the color optimizer, will also show up as low as well. So what I'm going to do goes against the grain a little bit, replacing inks where I think there's still some in it, but I'm going to replace the grey, the photo black and the color optimizer. So this is just one of those little videos I'm just going to include with the review, just for people who are interested in how to change inks, when to change inks. So here we go. Here's the cartridges I'm going to put in. Now, if I open up the lid here, it tells me the cover is open. Cover is open. To replace ink tanks, press the red button. This is one of the few uses of this button on the front here with the red on it. So we do that. If tanks are not installed, the head nozzles may clog or the printer may become damaged. Well, yeah, that seems not unreasonable. We'll now wait for the print head to come across. As with all things print related, it'll do whirring noises and various other things, but I need to just take these cartridges out of the boxes here. Whilst it's doing its various bits and pieces. So I'm going to replace the grey, photo black and the color optimizer. You don't need to do these in any particular order if you're doing them. So what's this one? This is the photo black. There's a little, on the plastic bag here, there's a little nick in it which you can just tear open like that. There's the cartridge. This orange tab comes off. Let's take the photo black out. Pop that down there. Take this off. It just pulls off. Put the photo black in. It goes in there. And it just clicks in place. This is similar to the process that you'd use for when you're loading up the inks in the first place. So just do it for the other two. And this one is the color optimizer. So we'll take the old one out. Take the tab off. Clicks in place there. And we've just got the last one left here. Let's just open that one up. That's the grey ink, and this is the one that I'm going to say is most empty. We'll see when I check these afterwards. Grey ink there. Drop that in there. Press down there. That's it. I've done everything here. Put that there. We now get processing and Canon's favourite, please wait momentarily. and it will now do what printers do, which is a load of whirring and clicking and various bits and pieces. Cardboard and paper and stuff, that can all go. It says the following genuine Canon ink have been replaced. Off goes the message before I could read it. It now tells me it's agitating the ink. Please wait momentarily yet again. It'll do this, it'll run through some tests, and then hopefully I can carry on, do the next print that I was doing. Well, there we are. It says ready to print. Grey, photo black, colour optimizer are showing as full, and interestingly enough, none of the others have actually gone to a warning level. Now, I don't know for certain, because Canon unfortunately doesn't make such information available, as to whether there are changes between this printer and this printer in the amount of ink used when replacing ink cartridges. There is an interesting difference between these two in that the ink cartridges are in a different order in the print head here. That's another thing. I've no idea why. I can think of potential reasons for it, but I don't actually know why that is. So we've now got that. It's ready to print, and that's all you need to do to replace some ink cartridges. And these are the old ones. I shall go away and weigh them just to check and see how much ink is left in them. But thanks for watching. Hope that was of some interest, and bye.